Do not do this, ever. On TikTok, they're telling people to delete the System32 folder from their Windows computer to make your computer faster and get faster frame rates. You've got to be kidding me. There are hundreds of these videos with thousands of views. Let me show you what happens when you blindly follow this advice. Okay, here we go. So here I've got my test PC. I'm going to log in and it's your normal Windows setup. Everything works like it should. So let's fire up a calculator. Does that work? Yeah, pretty much. Now, under the Windows folder, when you open up your File Explorer, there's a folder called System32. And inside this folder, you'll find the DLLs, the executables. You're going to find fonts. You're going to find everything that Windows needs in order to operate. Now, when you select all, right-click and choose Properties. This can vary in size. This particular one is, 3-point-something gigabytes in size? So, the time has come. Let's right-click on the files that have been selected, and we're going to choose Delete. It's coming up with a bunch of messages saying we actually don't have permissions to delete, even though I'm logged in as the administrator account on this computer. So things are trying to be recycled, 1% complete. And okay, some more messages saying Trust Installer owns this. We cannot make any changes. Okay, a lot of files still seems to be here. So let's right click on that, Properties, and we're down to 2.71 gigs. So we've lost a bunch of stuff. Things still seem to be working. So here's my calculator. That's working. Let's open up Notepad. That seems to be working perfectly fine. Let's go into the system and see if it does anything there. Yeah, everything seems to be operating as normal, even though we've lost a bunch of stuff. As you saw, Windows is protecting that folder. It lets us delete a bunch of files and folders. Initially, that doesn't seem to be any impact, but it will not let us delete the entire folder. So let's step it up a notch. What if I tell Windows, look, I know better than you, so I'm going to purposefully deactivate some of the Windows security features. And again, do not try this at home. All right, let's step it up. We're going to right click on the System32 folders, going to go into Properties and Security, and I'm going to click on Advanced. Now at the top there, it's got Trust Installer, which owned a lot of those files and folders, and we're going to change that. We're going to change it to the user that I've logged into this computer. Okay, so a whole bunch of security warnings telling us that this is a really bad idea. But we're going to say screw it, and we're going to do it anyways. Let's see again. Let's try delete it. Let's see what happens. And no go. No, still no go. What about if we do one at a time? Oh, look at that. If we do one at a time, it actually does allow us to get rid of some folders. All right, let's speed up this process and see how many we can get rid of. This is interesting. Okay, so now that we've got rid of a whole bunch of stuff, let's right click on that. Let's go to Properties. Let's see. Oh, 1.76 gigs. So we went from 3 gigs to 1.7 gigs. Oh, but now we have some issues. Try to open up Notepad. No go. Calculator, does that work? Calculator seems to still be working. So fine. What about Chrome? Yeah, that opens up perfectly fine. Let's try going into the system and see what that does. Oh, that crashed. That actually wouldn't let us go in. Let's try it again. No, that's not working at all. Well, we think we've caused some damage. What about clicking of icons from the start menu? Paint 3D, nothing. No go at all. Photos, no go. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can stop some of the services that are running. So I'm going to go into Services. Okay. I guess that's not going to work either now. Did we just finally break it? Let's go to Task Manager. Okay, Task Manager is not working. Let's go into Display. That's not working. All right, let's try one more thing and see before we... Oh, okay. Never mind. My computer is now dead. Oops, so Windows is clearly and completely... But what about the automatic Windows repair? Surely that should fix it, right? So rebooting, diagnosing your PC, and guess what? Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Click on advanced options. Let's click on troubleshoot because that's how you would troubleshoot a computer. And let's choose the option to reset this PC. And we're going to choose the option to keep my file. Let's do a cloud download. It's trying to do this and there was a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made. All right, back to the options we go. Let's choose troubleshoot one more time. This time advanced options, and we've got, startup repair. Let's choose that. Let's see, diagnosing your PC, no go. That's it, this computer is completely poked. Now look, there are even more technical things I could have done, but Windows was already stuffed beyond a usable state. The only thing to do now is a fresh reinstall. We have learned two things. The first, don't touch the Windows folder. If Windows is throwing out that many messages at you, there is a reason. And the second thing we've learned is to never blindly take advice from TikTok. There are people on there who just want to see the world burn, and nobody bothers to fact check. If you want to know what you can safely do to free up space and optimize your Windows experience, just watch this video right over here. Give the video a quick thumbs up, hit the head down here to subscribe, and I'll see you in this video. Let's go.